we're gonna be testing the Bellyak by going down the river here in Moab. I'm sure it's gonna end up being a race and the boys are going down. This is about fun.
I know it's about fun.
And, you know, meeting you. As someone that owns a marina, I'm looking for, why is this going to create a movement within the kayaking world? Why is it different than taking a kayak? Why would I want to do this instead?
3, 2, 1, go!
Spinning!
The Bellyak is completely different than a kayak. I start feeling the rapids a lot different. Yeah, this is a workout.